So what are you gonna do today?
We're gonna build a trampoline. We're gonna break it. We're gonna build it, and then I'm just so happy because we're gonna build it.
Great.
And also, guys, like you always watch this, don't forget to subscribe when you leave the video when our videos are done, okay? And also, don't forget to hit the like button or the bell so you never miss one new video that I'm starting to make, okay?
Okay everyone, hello, we're back again. So today we're gonna build a trampoline. So here now, so if you guys remember yung trampoline na nasira before, so pumili na kami ng isang parts. Okay, so ito yung part na naputol. Yeah, this one. So if you can see, naputol siya. So hindi na talaga siya pwede. I think kahit i-welding siya, hindi siya pwede. Ayan na. Tapos ito naman yung maliit na part na putol. So now, like 2 weeks ago, I ordered another part of trampoline to change this one. So dumating na siya. So this is it, guys. This is it. Dumating na siya. And okay, so ito yung bago. Ito yung bago. Ito yung dalawang bago. Tapos ito yung mga naputol. Okay? So ayan na yung kapalit niya. Ito yung naputol. Tapos ito yung bago. So let's go, guys, and build our trampoline. Okay, Brian, help Daddy. Good job, Brian. So Brian is helping. Yes, good job. So Brian need to help Daddy because now Mommy's time to take a video. So only and Daddy's working today. Good job, Brian.
Wait. Daddy, come on a little bit. Wait, let's see if it works.
So now my baby is gonna help his daddy. Okay, be careful, Up.
Okay, Daddy, I can help.
Let Daddy do it. Remove your friend. Good.
I love you, Mommy.
Me too. Say hi to them.
Hi.
Hi. Here.
Guys, so we're building the trampoline. Do you remember in the video we cut the tree and then the guy accidentally just cut the tree to my trampoline. Remember that?
So
Yeah.
the tree accidentally found the trampoline, right?
Yeah, but my dad is finding the part. Now he buy the part. Okay, Dad.
Another update from our backyard. So this is it. This is the tree now. We already planted. So ayan siya. Nilagyan din namin siya ng mulch para lagi siyang ma-moisture. Yan. Kasi itong tree na to, dapat wino-water siya every day. So ayan na siya. Very healthy. Nakakaroon na naman ng new leaves. So thank God. So far, sinecure namin siya with the rope. Yan. With this one to make it stronger, and siya para hindi siya maputol kahit lumakas pa yung hangin. So very secured siya. And now, okay, let's go to see how my husband gonna build a trampoline.
Hola.
Hi, Papa. So, Papa gonna help us to build our trampoline. Honey. Hello, honey.
Hello.
Hi, Brian. Okay, so Daddy and Grandpa. Daddy and Grandpa gonna build the trampoline today. So guys, so now binibilang na nila kung ilang holes siya para mas mabilis mamaya ilagay kasi ginagawa nila para mas mabilis to make it easy. Nagka-count sila I think ng by 10 tapos lalagay na yan, ilalagay na ito tapos later on isa-isa na para hindi siya mahirap. So ayan na, mahirap na siya ilagay pag mostly nasa middle na kasi yung pag-stretch nito, ayan tulad nito, very hard. Kailangan mo i-stretch talaga. You see that? Mahirap talaga siya. So you need like help. Really. So ayan guys, sa paglalagay talagang effort. You need energy. Is this the right one? Oh yeah. Ayan. So, you see how they put it?
Over here.
Kailangan talaga siya ng energy. Kailangan
Can I try?
ng strength.
I wanna try that.
You see? Binibilang ni husband. Ayan. So, look how they put it. So, nilalagay niya. Nagka-count siya ng by tens.
Count 10. Count 10 here.
Yeah, 10.
Here.
Para mas madali.
Here, Ryan.
You need to
Count
count 10 over run ako. Start to count 10.
hold.
Yeah.
1,
Like
2,
that.
3, 4.
So, kailangan mag-count ng 10. Tapos, after nun kayo ilalagay na. Para later on, mas mabilis na.
9, 10.
You sure?
Yeah. Look. Look at this.
Let's count again.
Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job, Ryan! Okay. So, ayan siya. Right, so you see guys, kailangan talaga ng malakas na paghila. Okay, now, so tapos na yung by 10, so now we need to count by 5. Okay? Para mas mabilis na siya. So ngayon, by 5 na siya. Or depends, you know, kung anong mas mabilis. So ayan na. Very strong talaga yung tela, saka very safe siya. So with this trampoline, this is I think a 14 feet if I'm not mistaken. I think 14 feet siya. So this one pwede siya for I think 350 pounds. So yan ang pwede niya kayang isakay nitong trampoline. So like 350 pounds. So, mga siguro like 4 na tao depende sa bigat. Okay guys, so this is a 14 feet trampoline if I'm not mistaken. This one can carry 350 pounds. Yun po yung maximum niya, 350 pounds. And we bought this one at BJ's supermarket for only $250. Yeah. So yan po yung price niya. Okay. So ayan siya. So ngayon nagka-count na naman ang husband ko ng by 5s o depende or 6 para mas mabili yung paglagay. So kailangan talaga ng energy. Kailangan talaga ng energy. Kasi mahirap nga naman talaga pag hinila mo ito. Tignan mo. Pag hinila ko to, mahirap. So, kailangan sa middle. Every middle nilalagay. Ayan. Okay guys, sa hook naman, ang bilang namin dito 120 siya. So, sobrang dami niya. Ayan na siya oh. Okay guys, sa hook naman, the trampoline hook, meron siyang 120 hooks. So talagang mahirap-hirap nga naman talagang paglalagay nito. So ayan siya. So ang dami-dami niyang hooks para maging strong yung trampoline at safe siya sa mga sasakay, especially for kids. Yan. Sa mga magja-jump. Ito talaga yung kaya namin binili. That's why we bought big one. You know, a bigger one so that, you know, we can able also to join our son to play in this trampoline. So, very maganda talaga siya. At saka ito yung trampoline na hindi siya pricey, pero very quality siya. Kahit I think it's been already 7 months siya sa sun. Ayan, pero ayan pa matibay-tibay, sobrang tibay. Ayan po yung mga parts niya. Ito yung para hindi masaktan yung bata kahit tumalon at mauntog, di siya masasaktan kasi meron ito. Ano siya, may foam. Tapos ito na yung net. Very important talaga ilalagay yung net kasi for my son's safety. Ito siya yung net niya. Ayan. Okay.
1, 2, 3, come on! Oh no!
Okay, so the last one.
Everyone, so we're almost done, right, Daddy? Are we almost done?
Yes, baby.